Hi, I'm Steven Straub. I'm a member of the FEMBA class of 2021 at UCLA. I live in San Francisco and work at UC San Francisco as an emergency physician. I chose to get my MBA to learn new skills, to adapt them to the emergency department to try and improve healthcare delivery. I chose UCLA for several reasons, but the most important of which was the student body and alumni network. I really valued the breadth of experiences and the diversity of the students and the alumni. Having been focused in healthcare my entire academic and professional life, I thought that this would really help me grow in my current and future pursuits. I also really wanted to get involved with the GAP project as an opportunity to use some of our academic skills, leverage personal strengths, advisors, and address a real-world business challenge or problem. I chose GAP for several reasons. One of the most important of which is really to push me outside of my comfort zone, to meet new people in vast industries that I have maybe had little or no experience with, to work closely with a team over a long time to address a real company's challenge or problem. I think the value of GAP was seeing this transformation and addressing a problem and coming up with a real world solution. Really validated the education of the preceding years. And I think will help me going forward in identifying and addressing problems going forward as I return to healthcare. The things that I did most successfully within GAP was work tremendously close with our team and our advisor, addressing any challenges along the way, including challenges presented by the pandemic. And then maybe most importantly, I met amazing people that I otherwise would never have met without doing the GAP project. Having just completed GAP, I'm really excited to take some of the key learning points from the project and apply them to my future and current career pursuits. There are definitely a lot of skills that we learned, but there's also a lot of comfort that I gained. I really learned that there are lots of people out there with diverse skills who are interested in helping others with their ideas or their problems, lending their time, experience, and knowledge, even when they had nothing to gain. I think I really got comfortable speaking with people kind of all over the world and all across the industries across my GAP project. But I also learned how business executives and professionals view problems, how they think about them, how they approach potential solutions, weigh the benefits and maybe the cons of those solutions, and how to communicate with these individuals. I think going forward, using this longitudinal project will really help me identify problems in the ER, but also generate solutions and being able to communicate those solutions effectively to hospital leadership or ED leadership or any of the key stakeholders. I'm honored to be selected by the faculty as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP. I hope my story encourages or inspires you to embrace new opportunities and challenges, to meet new people, and most importantly, to create your own future.